Glad to know you're still there. Here we'll be dealing with fundamental analysis, and in forex trading, currency trading, two types of analysis exist. Mainly, you have fundamental analysis and you have technical analysis. You also have a third type which I could call relational analysis, where you relate yourself to the market. But this particular lesson deals with fundamental analysis, which is the study of the whole state of the economy, which includes interest rates, production, employment, and management. Fundamental analysis pays attention to both past and present data in order to determine the future flow of the market. In other words, you can say that fundamental analysis takes into account history and the present and use it to determine or forecast the markets. In fundamental analysis, economics data, including macroeconomics and microeconomics data, are used to determine or gauge the mood or pulse of the market. And the release of these data can be found in economic calendar websites and portals. Examples include Bloomberg.com, FXTrade.com, ForexPSami.com, and ForexFactory.com. Next, we'll be checking out these websites and see what we have in them. Now, this is Bloomberg.com. So on Bloomberg.com, you can see the website here, how it is, and here you can really do a study of the whole the economies, global economies from here. You read, you can visit the market data, you can check the economic calendar, and which is basically what you should be doing at this stage, studying economic calendar to know events that are coming up, when they are going to come up, and all of that. Another website you want to check out also is forexpeacearmy.com. Forexpeacearmy.com. When you are in forexpeacearmy.com, what you just do is come to forex calendar and tools. There you pick the forex news calendar, and that brings you here. So here you can check out the dates, the time, the currency, which is represented by the flag or the logo of the country where the currency is used in. Then you have the name of the event, the impact here. Then in here you have the previous, the forecast, the actual, and okay, all of that. Another website you could check out is for fxstreet.com. The same thing. This is the economic calendar. All right, so these are the tools, the calendar we use for fundamental analysis. If you want to go further, there are also a rich resource of information for fundamental or economic information that hinge on micro and macro economics. All right, so please watch the other videos, and I believe you'll still learn more, because we're going to still come to tear this apart. In our practice session on the demo trading, we'll be just showing the basic way to use fundamental analysis as a beginner to place trades, to analyze the market and also place trades. Thank you and God bless you, and please check out the other videos and keep learning.